Today I'm going to show you how I hook the Japaneve up to Pro Tools. It's really just a simple hybrid mixing format, something you can do too with any mixer, the right cables, and a little instruction. So first thing, I got these snakes off Amazon for $29. They're 15-foot snakes, XLR on both ends, male and female. I'm only using 4 channels of the console because I have the 2 monitor outs and the 2 program outs, and I can pan everything left and right, and that'll give me 4 individual channels. Wiring it with 1 channel per bus is the only way that I could get true direct outs without modifying the console. This will give every channel its own 3 bands of EQ and its main gain stage. The wiring is real basic. The snake I got is already numbered 1 through 4, so I'm just doing channels 1 through 4, and then I'll pan each of them left and right. I'm using these as inserts in Pro Tools so I can put it on after the fact, put it on tracks that people send me, stuff like that. You're also going to need an interface that has at least 6 outs. I say that because you're going to need 2 more outs for your monitor outputs. Mine has 24 in and out, but something with 8 would probably do fine. I try to have the room set up pretty easy to wire. I left enough space to where I can get back there. Kind of got to get the wire as far as you can and then just crawl under there, come up the side and just plug everything in. One thing to remember is the inputs and the outputs coincide in Pro Tools. So if you are just doing some quick inserts and you're going into input 5, you want to do output 5. And likewise, that just makes everything a lot easier when you're going back to wire it. So the last step probably is to do the hardware insert. Click on your inserts like you're going to put a regular plug-in, select I/O, and then pick the insert that you selected. Now, if you have any latency, you can go over here to delay and change it per channel. I have a whole nother video out there explaining round trip latency if you want to check that out. Thanks for watching. I got a whole lot more on the way.